Shalom, brothers. All praises to Yahweh by Yashem Yahweh Shah. Double honors to the apostles and elders that rule well. And peace and blessings to you brothers out there that's kicking his word for Yahweh by Yashem Yahweh Shah. I'm Micah Allah of the GMS Dallas camp, and I'd like to come with a quick sit down. Just speaking on 2/3. And basically, man, you have a lot of 2/3 out there that are, on the surface, that seems to be very cool, easy to get along with, but ultimately they're not for the will of Yahweh by Hashem Yahweh Shah. Well, how do we know that? Shoot, based off their judgment, man. They compromise the truth for a lie. So the Most High is not dealing with them, man. So this is Isaiah 5:20. Woe unto them that call evil good and good evil, that put darkness for light and light for darkness, that put bitter for sweet and sweet for bitter, man. So you might have a partner out there that's a 2/3, or I wouldn't call him a partner or associate, or even a family member that's a 2/3, and he seems to be cool, on a superficial level, but dealing with judgment he lacks, or he's a reprobate, man. Case in point, you might have, you might be in a conversation talking about homosexuality, and a guy might, or whoever we're speaking of might agree that it's wrong, but he'll say something like, well, as long as you don't bring it to me, that shit, I ain't got no problem with it. But right there, man, you're going off. You're supposed to abhor iniquity, man. You know what I'm saying? And our people lack that judgment, man. That's why the Most High is not dealing with 2/3 of our people, man, because they're reprobates. Verse 21. Woe unto them that are wise in their own eyes and prudent in their own sight. That's right, man. You got a lot of people out there that just rationalize straight iniquity, man. And do it eloquently. That Jay could tell you a million reasons why he's doing something wrong, but can't tell you one reason to do something right according to the Bible, man. Woe unto them that are mighty to drink wine and men of strength to mingle strong drink. Verse 23, which justify the wicked for reward and take away the righteousness of the righteous from him. Therefore, as the fire devoureth the stubble, and the flame consumeth the chaff, so their root shall be as rottenness, and their blossom shall go up as dust, because they have cast away the law of Yahweh of hosts, and despised the word of the Holy One of Israel. It's right there. It's telling you, man. People out there that's compromising to be comfortable in this world. Guess what? The Most High is not dealing with that, and the Most High is going to destroy these people, man. This is two things in this world, man: wickedness and righteousness. There's no in between, man. Either you for Yahweh by Hashem Yahweh Shah, or you for iniquity, man. So with that being said, if you're watching this and you're just coming into this thing, it's time for you to make a choice. Either you're gonna fight for Yahweh by Hashem Yahweh Shah, or you're gonna fight for this world, yourself. This lust or your lust, man. Okay, so all praise to Yahweh by Hashem Yahweh Shah. Double honors to the apostles and elders that rule well. Peace and blessings to you brothers out there that's kicking his word for Yahweh by Yashem Yahweh Shah. Shalom.